Hey Angelface, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I don't know if you can tell or not, we are going to be doing a hair tutorial, and this is my very first time even trying to achieve a braided ponytail, but that's what we're going to do. So I think I did okay for my first time. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I couldn't get the dramatic baby hairs popping like I want to because my hair just does not hold down. And I'm telling y'all, I've used everything. I have the Gots to Be, I have the mousse, I have the Gots to Be gel, and I also use the edge control. And this is supposed to be like the best edge control. I don't know. But anyways, I use all of those things. And for the most part, I do have it like slicked down. It's just my baby hairs, they keep getting soft and coming back up. So anyway, let me give y'all a full view. So I did the double braided ponytail. I tried to do it. So this is what it looks like. Y'all can see. So let me know what y'all think. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this ponytail, please continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share the video, and until the next time, bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
So right here, I'm just flattening my hair out so that we can make it as slick as possible when we get ready to pull it back into a ponytail. It doesn't have to be like the neatest, but you do want to try to try to make it flat. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna part it straight down the middle, and I'm gonna apply the edge control. And the edge control that I'm using is Hicks. So as you can see here, I just slicked it back and put it into a ponytail. So I use the Hicks around the edges, and then when I put the ponytail in, I use the Gots to Be spray and just slicked it back in a ponytail. So this braiding hair is pre-stretched braiding hair. It does have a little bit of highlight to try to match the highlights in my hair. And the pre-stretched length is, I believe, 58 inches. And it comes with 3 bundles in the pack. So I just used 2 of the 3 bundles. And I just kept a rubber band on it so that I can attach it to my ponytail. As you can see, I am struggling, but we're going to make it work.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
So I noticed the mistake that I made was putting the braiding hair ponytail underneath my ponytail. I should have put it over the top of the ponytail, but of course this is my first time doing it, so I didn't realize it until I got further along in the process. But the next time I'll know to put the braiding hair on top of the ponytail, so it'll be easier to separate and blend my hair with the braiding hair. But that's neither here or there. So yeah. So right here, I'm just taking that Got to Be spray, and I'm taking a piece of the braiding hair, and I'm going to wrap that around the base of the ponytail so that we can hide that band, that ponytail holder, and we want to make it look as natural as possible. And I just want to go ahead and put this out there, y'all. I am not in a state of disgust while doing my hair. I don't know why I'm making these faces. But I'm just focused on trying to get this ponytail right because I've already come too far. I've already sprayed my hair with all of this product, so it has to work. So yeah, never mind the faces that I'm making because in the end it's going to turn out okay. So I'm taking a blow dryer and I'm trying to set that piece that I wrapped around the band, and I have it on cool to try to get it to dry and hold in place so that when I start braiding up the hair, it doesn't come out. So right here you can see I've parted the ponytail into two separate pieces because I'm trying to go for the double braided ponytail. So on this braid right here, I'm just trying to make sure that I cover my real hair with the braiding hair and then tuck it underneath. Keep adding product to it so that it's a little bit more sleek and easier to manage. But yeah, so I did that for both sides. One side was looking a little crazy, but it held for the night, so that was all I was worried about. And again, I know the mistakes that I made this time, so that I won't make them again the next time. I'm definitely going to put that braided ponytail over top of my real hair and then separate it into pieces. But yeah.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else do.
So right here, I'm just taking that mousse and I'm going to attempt to do these baby hairs. Like, I know I am not the best when it comes to baby hairs, but I was told that the mousse is supposed to work better than the gel so that you won't have that residue. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just trying to get it right.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. Don't do I think I need you.